Hello children, good morning. Welcome back to English class. Students, today I am going to help you in one of the easiest exercises of grammar, that is editing. Editing means error detection and correction. Editing, which happens to be the easiest exercise, but students tend to commit error very often in this exercise. So let's discuss and try to find the ways to identify error. Well students, editing questions has small passages like this. You will get one passage. You get the question to read the passage, identify the error and write the correct word. You can see the question, each line has an error. See the question, the following passage has not been edited. There is an error in each line. Write the incorrect word and the correction in the space provided. So the question, each line has an error. There is an error in each line. This is the question. But it is not possible to find error in each and every line, because a line is basically a fragment of a particular sentence. It never ever make a complete sense. A single line never ever make a complete sense unless it is a sentence. So it's not easy to identify the error if the sense is incomplete, because a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. It might possible that a sentence is not completed in a line, then it will not make a complete sense, and if the sense is not incomplete, then it will not be easy for anyone to find out the error, identify the error. So what to do in this case? How to find out the errors? See, I am giving you 3 steps, students. Step 1, listen carefully and try to understand. Step 1, read the complete passage beginning till end. Read the complete passage beginning to end with concentration. If you read the passage with complete concentration, automatically you will be able to find the errors. As your mind, your brain will be completely accustomed to find out the error when something is being done in a flow. So this is the first step to find out the error. Second step is break up the passage sentence wise, because a sentence makes a complete sense. When you read the complete sentence, you can easily identify the errors. In these 2 steps, most of the errors will be identified, and coming to the last and third step is to identify the leftover errors in line fragments. One more thing is there, students, one more form is there to find out the errors, to identify the errors. It is PACTS, PACTS, PACTS form. P refers to preposition, A refers to article, C refers to conjunction, T refers to tense, or we can say verb forms, S refers to the spelling errors or singular plural errors. So this way PACTS form to identify errors. But students, remember, if preposition error is there in any sentence, in any line, then that particular word, that error will be replaced by the correct preposition only. If article error is there, then that error will be replaced by the correct article. So this way editing passage you are supposed to do. Here I have written one passage for you. You can see and try to find out the error. Say, flamingo flock in Kutch every year. As I told, whatever error, if it is a preposition error, it will be replaced by the correct preposition. If it is a verb error, it will be replaced by the correct verb. So here flamingos flock in Kutch every year. Hopefully you can find out the error. Here in place of in, it will be to. Flamingos flock to Kutch every year. It come there from various parts of the world a year to breed. As I told you, you are not supposed to find error only in the line, because until and unless you read the complete sentence, it will be quite difficult for you to understand the meaning of that sentence and find out the error. So read the complete sentence, then find out the error. It come, here it refers to the plural flamingos. So definitely here in this sentence it will be in place of it is they. They come there from various parts of the world a year to breed. Flamingo City, it is a noun. So Flamingo City is the name of a city. So it cannot be changed. There is no error. Here you can see in place of it is every year to breed. Flamingo City is a island situated in the middle of the, here clearly seen island before vowel. It is a simple rule that generally we use n. So in place of a it will be n. An island situated in the middle of the run of Kutch, known to the biggest breeding ground for flamingos. Here it is in place of to, it will be as, known as the biggest breeding ground for flamingos, and today it is strewn in bodies of hundreds of chicks. So here obviously the sentence is very clear that here it is clearly seen that this Flamingo City is an island situated in the middle of run of Kutch, known as the biggest breeding ground for flamingos. And today, in place of and here it will be but today. It is strewn in bodies of hundreds of chicks, not in, with bodies of hundreds of chicks. The parents has fled the island due to lack of food, plankton and small fish. What are food for the flamingos? Here the parents has, because it is plural, here it will be have, fled the island due to lack of food, plankton and small fish. Not what, in place of what it will be which are food for flamingos. So students, this way you are supposed to identify the error in the editing passage and write the correct word. Let me show you the answer part. You are supposed to write the incorrect word. First of all, you are supposed to find out the errors and write in incorrect word column, and then write the correct word, and below that you are supposed to write the correct word for the incorrect or error. So this way very easily you can find out, you can identify the error in the editing passage and can do the correction. So students, keep practicing, because practice makes a man perfect. Have a great day. Thank you.